This is the next part of the remote control excavator. It's a step towards making the bottom of the excavator. This is a square steel tube, and each corner is 20 millimeters wide. I had to cut this square steel tube to a length of 280 millimeters. I have a square steel tube with a length of 280 millimeters. Now I need to divide the length to put the bottom roller, but each length must not be equal, because each length depends on the spacing of the chain. Make the roller run alternately with the spacing of each chain. If you do not do this, the excavator will bump as it moves forward. Now I divided the length to put the bottom roller already. I will align the roller according to the diagram already drawn. Each length must not be equal. And take it to the weld. I will use this metal plate as a utility. I had to cut it and put it on both sides of the roller. And this is the motorcycle spokes. I use it to be the axis of the roller. I have to do it like this. And I will take them to the weld. These rollers are welded to the bottom like this. Now let's check at the bottom of this. See point here? These rollers run alternately between the gaps of each chain. Look at this roller, and the spacing of this chain. This space is in the middle between this roller and this roller. This is a 20mm bolt pad. I put it in this place. And I will weld this iron in here. I am now welded. And the 3mm bolts are welded here. And this iron I drilled a hole like this. I will connect them together. Now I'm going to put it together like this. Thanks for your watching. Please click subscribe my channel for free and watch the next video.